Hi, once again with a new video. I'm Viraj and this is my YouTube channel Maths by Viraj. Previously, I did lessons for grade 8, 9 and 10. Today is a continuation for the lesson 2 of triangles. Please make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Also, please remember you go to the descriptions below and see the links for other videos. Children, before learning part 2 of triangles, let's try to learn the types of triangles that you have. The first triangle that you see is a scalene triangle. In the scalene triangle, no sides are equal in length and no angles are equal in value. But all the angles in the triangle add up to 180. Type 2 isosceles triangles. In these triangles, two sides are of equal length and the angles produced by those two equal sides are equal, as you can see on the diagram. In this triangle also the angles in a triangle add up to 180. Next we have equilateral triangles. In equilateral triangles all the angles are equal in value. That is because the lengths of all the sides of the triangle they are equal. And remember, all the angles in the triangle add up to 180. The next we have is the right angle triangle. In this triangle, one angle is exactly 90 degrees in value and again all the angles in the triangle add up to 180. Children, now we are going to learn the proof of isosceles triangles. And remember the part 1 of the lesson triangles, you can go to the link over here and see it. Right. In order for us to prove the theorem behind isosceles triangles, what I have got or what I have drawn is a triangle. And as data, it is given that side AB is equal to side AC. Now let's mark them. Side AB is equal to side AC. Now, I should prove that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So, this is what I have to prove. That is, if these two sides are equal in length, I should prove that these two angles are also equal. So, what I am going to do is, I am going to draw a line from point A to line BC and mark it as D. Here, please make a note, children, that line AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Now, when I draw this line AD, I am bisecting or equally dividing the angle BAC into two parts. Right. Let's erase these two angles for a moment. This means that these two angles are equal in value. Right. Children, now let's try to prove that these two angles are equal. First and foremost, what do we see here? We can see that there are basically two triangles. Namely, the triangle ADB and angle ADC. It is given to us as data that side AB is equal to side AC. And since we bisected the angle BAC with the line AD, we can say that these two angles are equal in value. Therefore, we can say AB is equal to AC. It was given as data but still can be considered as a side. Then we can say that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. What is the reason? Because line AD bisects the angle BAC. Therefore, this is an angle. Right. Also, we see that side AD is common, which is also a side. Therefore, we can come to a conclusion that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ADC, and the reason is side angle side. By side angle side, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ADC. Therefore, we can say that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. That is, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. What are they? They are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Therefore, I can say that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So, we have proved what they have asked us to prove. Very simple. Children, let's look at another example. Here, it is given to us as data that side AB is equal to side AC and the angle CAE is bisected by AD. So, what we have to prove here is that AD is parallel to BC. Now, children, doing maths is easy, but trying to understand the method or the steps of doing it is the tricky part. Right. Now, we'll try to understand what if. Understand, this is not the proof. What if side AD is parallel to side BC? Now, if side AD is parallel to side BC, if these two are parallel, then we can come to a conclusion that these two angles are equal in value by alternate angles, right? So we can say that DAC will be equal to ACB by alternate angles, right? Having this in our mind, if we could prove that this angle is equal to this particular angle, then we can say that AD is parallel to BC. Having that in our mind, let's try to understand this. If side AB is equal to side AC, it shows that these two angles are equal in value, because triangle ABC will be an isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can say that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Right. Also, children, if we consider angle EAC, this total angle EAC is bisected by the line AD. If it is bisected by the line AD, we can also say that this particular angle is equal to this particular angle. That is, angle EAD is equal to angle DAC. That these two angles are also equal. Right. Children, if you all can recall the theory of exterior angle is equal to addition of the two interior opposite angles, I can say that addition of these two angles are equal to this particular angle. That is, I can say that angle ACB plus angle ABC is equal to angle EAC. Exterior angle is equal to addition of the two interior opposite angles. So we can for short we write exterior angle theorem. Right. Now children, instead of ABC, I can write ACB. They are because they are equal. So ACB plus ACB is equal to, instead of the total angle EAC, this angle EAC is equal to the addition of the two angles EAD and DAC. Therefore, I can write this as twice the angle DAC. Twice the angle DAC. Therefore, this is twice angle ACB is equal to twice angle DAC. Where we can simplify and say that angle ACB is equal to angle DAC. Now, if angle ACB is equal to angle DAC, what can we say about the lines AD and BC? Remember, here we showed that if side AD is parallel to BC, then these two angles should be equal. Now, mathematically we proved that these two angles are equal. Therefore, if angle ACB is equal to angle DAC, then we can say that AD is parallel to BC. Now, this is the way that you should think. If they are parallel, these two should be equal. Fine. We have then mathematically come up with an answer showing that these two angles are equal, and if they are equal, these two lines are parallel to each other. Children, in this example, it is given to us in data that side AB is equal to side AC and BP is equal to QC, and we have to prove that triangle APB and triangle AQC, they are congruent triangles. Fine. Now, let's consider triangle ABC. Children, when we consider triangle ABC, it is given to us that AB is equal to AC. Therefore, these two angles should be equal. That is, this particular angle and this particular angle, they are equal. Therefore, we can say that side AB is equal to side AC. This is given to us as data. Also, this is a side. Fine. Then we can say that angle ABP is equal to angle ABP is equal to angle ACQ. This is an angle. Right. Also, it is given to us from data that side BP is equal to QC. BP is equal to QC, which is a side. Therefore, children, we can say that triangle APB is congruent with triangle AQC by side angle side. Right. Now you must think why I consider triangle ABC in the first place. Right. Now children, we know that we can prove congruence of triangles by side angle side, side, so on and so forth. There are ways. Right. Now in this I have a side which is equal to another side. Also there is this side QC which is equal to BP. Since there are two sides, if I could show that the angle which lies between those two particular sides are equal on both the triangles, then those triangles should be congruent. That is the reason why from the hints that they have given, that is they have given that AB is equal to AC. So I took the larger triangle, considered the larger triangle ABC, and prove that these two angles are equal. Therefore, came to a conclusion, if the side and the side of both these triangles are equal, then those two triangles are congruent. Children, here we have to prove that angle APQ is equal to angle AQP, right? That is, we have to prove that these two angles are equal in value. We proved previously that triangle APB and triangle AQC are congruent triangles. So, if I consider the triangle ABP and triangle AQC, it is given to us from data that AB is equal to AC and BP is equal to QC, and we proved that these two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that side AP is equal to side AQ. Side AP is equal to side AQ. Why? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. They are corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Fine. Now, I can consider triangle APQ. When I consider triangle APQ, from here we have proved that side AP is equal to side AQ, which makes triangle APQ an isosceles triangle. Therefore, these two angles are equal in value. Therefore, we can say that APQ is equal to AQP. And the reason is angles of an isosceles triangle. So, by angles of an isosceles triangle, we can prove that angle APQ is equal to angle AQP in the triangle APQ. Children, the converse of the theorem isosceles triangles. Now, if two sides are equal in length, we came to a conclusion that the angles produced by those two sides are equal. Now, if the angles are equal, then we can say that those two sides are equal in which the angles are made. Right. Now, this example is of such sum. Now, we will show that side AC is equal to side AD. If we are to show that side AC is equal to side AD, if you are to show that AC and AD are equal, then these two particular angles should be equal in value. Right. If I am to find the value of angle ADC, what I can say is angle ADC plus angle ADE should be equal to 180. Supplementary angles, that is ADC plus 95 is equal to 180. Therefore, ADC is equal to 85 degrees. Now we found that this particular angle to be 85 degrees. Right. Now I should find the value of angle ACD. If I consider triangle ABC, if I consider triangle ABC, A, B, C, D, this is 25, this is 65. Therefore, what is the value of ACD? Angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus BAC. Why? What is the reason? Exterior angle is equal to addition of the interior opposite angles. Children, I am writing this in short. Then angle ACD is equal to 65 plus 25. Sorry, this is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle ACD is 85 degrees. Right. Now we have proved that angle ACD is also 85 degrees. Therefore, by the converse theorem of isosceles triangles, I can say that angle ACD is equal to angle ADC, which is 85. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. This is really simple as long as you know the theory. Children, in this sum, it is given to us as data that angle QPC is equal to angle PQC. Right. So it is given to us that these two angles are equal, and also ABCD is a square. Right. Based on the given data, we can say that if ABCD is a square, then all the sides are equal in length. AB equals, BC equals, CD equals, DA. And also that all of these angles at the vertices, they are equal. That is, angle ABC equals angle BCD equals angle CDA equals angle DAB. They are all 90 degrees. ABC, BCD, CD and DAB, they are 90. Fine. It is also given to us that these two angles are equal. Therefore, if you consider triangle QPC, when you consider triangle QPC, if these two angles are equal in value, we can say that these two sides are equal in length. Therefore, we can say that PC is equal to QC. Right. Now, what we have to prove is that we have to prove that side BP is equal to side QD. Fine. Since we know all these values that they are equal to one another, we can say that side BC is equal to side BC is equal to side CD. That is a side. Also, we can say that angle PBC, or the angle ABC, this angle B, is equal to angle QDC, which is 90 degrees. Angle QDC or ADC, this angle D, they are equal, which is 90 degrees. So this is an angle. Right. Also, we have found that PC is equal to QC, which is a side. Therefore, we can say that triangle PBC is congruent with triangle QDC by RHS, because it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, what can we say about the sides BP and QD? We can say that BP is equal to QD. What is the reason? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So it's very easy, and we prove that BP is equal to QD. Hope you all understood today's lesson, and if there's anything that needs to be clarified or another new lesson to be taught, make a comment below. Also go for the description below and you'll be able to find the links for other videos. Make sure you subscribe Maths by Viraj and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I share new video. Also remember to share this video among your friends. See you in another video.